Thanks very much for tuning into BalloonTube, and today we're going to show you a reasonably quick Rudolph wand. Here he is. Alright, a little 12 round. So obviously Christmas time is very popular, and but other times if you want to make something reasonably fast. So you need a mocker, and I've got about 6 fingers uninflated. You need 2 1.5 finger bubbles. Tie the knot around the second bubble and get the knot and one of the bubbles and go twist it around, and you get 2 pinch twists, and hopefully they'll be roughly the same size and the same pressure. Squeeze the air along. You now need a 2 finger bubble, or this is going to be his nose, it's going to be the bottom of his mouth. So twist that around, so you've got 3 pinch twists now. There we go, and your larger one will sit at the bottom, like that. You now need a 5 finger bubble, so squeeze the air, 5 finger bubble, 1.5 finger bubble for pinch twist, and then match this up again with a 5 finger bubble. There you go, that will go around the pinch twist, and you need another 5 finger bubble, which is going to go for the top of Rudolph's head. So squeeze the air along, 5 finger bubble, then a 1.5 finger pinch twist, these two to go together, twist this one to here, pull it apart, go for it, like that. You now need a little spacer bubble, that will go down to there. Right. Now for the ears, I like to do a 4 finger bubble from the bottom and a 2 finger to the top. So it's a 4 finger bubble here, and a 2 finger bubble there, and this 2 finger bubble goes down the pinch twist at the top there. Put that around, and then you need a 2 finger bubble and a 4 finger bubble. There you go. And then that goes around the bottom pinch twist. So it ends up like this, and I've got about 8 fingers for the one part to hold. All right, and then you can see the ears sort of slightly go up there. We now need to do his antlers. So in grey, and on these I've got about, it says, let's have a look, about 5 fingers uninflated. All right, so you need 2 finger bubble, 1 finger pinch twist, then a small 2 finger fold twist. So just roll that over. It's a small 2 finger fold twist. Then I come down about a 4 finger bubble, squeeze the air, another 1 finger pinch twist, and then 2 3 finger bubbles here. Just at the bottom part of the antlers look a little bit different to the top. So you could just put a fold twist here, but I like to do just something a little bit different. So 2 3 finger bubbles, wrap that around. So it just looks a little bit different. Now another 4 finger bubble, all right, and this gets twisted into the top pinch twist here. Wrap that around now. Right, there we go. And I try to slightly shock twist that, so it just goes to the side, you see. Right. Now on this one, we just work backwards, so it's a 4 finger bubble, a 1 finger pinch twist, 2 3 finger bubbles, and goes around the pinch twist, another 4 finger bubble, another 1 finger pinch twist, and your small 2 finger fold twist. Alright, and then you need a 2 finger bubble at the end there, so deflate this in your favourite method, cutter, scissors. Don't use your teeth, whatever you do, because that's terrible, isn't it? Let that go down slowly, otherwise it will pop. Try that off, and then you can get your scissors, you see. See, I've got them handy, and you can cut that end off there, make this end nice and tight, cut this off as well. There you go. I've got to make it look nice in the avenue. And turn these antlers around so they're facing the same way. Chop those a little bit. So you can see, there you go. They look a bit like this. 12. The nose is just a 2-finger bubble, and then just tie that up. Don't do it too tight, otherwise it will end up looking like a pinch twist. So just tighten the nose. Get your scissors again. Ooh, look at that, using them twice in one go here. Right, I'm going to use it a third time in a second. Right, that gets wrapped around here. Right, and then over there. There you go, and then just put some eyes on. And again, it's about a 3-finger bubble there. Tie this up here. Split that into 2. So there you go. Right, so it was probably about a 4-finger bubble it was, so you get 2 2-finger bubbles for his eyes. Tie that up and get your scissors. Look at that, 3 times in one go. Oh, there you go. Lovely. And then that will just push in and sit in there. And the other thing I do like to put onto this, alright, there's the wand. Alright, what we do like to do is just put a couple of dots for his nose. So take your pen and put a couple of, there you go, well, 3 on either side, but if you want to put 4, put 4. Alright, so there's a quick Rudolph wand for you. Alright, if you do want to subscribe to BalloonTube, it's down here. If you could press the button somewhere, that would be very much appreciated. If you could tell a few people, look at that. Alright, anyway, there you go. Here's a quick Rudolph wand for you, and we'll see you another time on BalloonTube. Thanks a lot. Bye, bye.